Imagine a world where access to medical care isn't guaranteed. A world where you have to rely on your own knowledge and skills for survival. Does the threat of natural disasters or societal unrest make you uneasy? You're not alone. In today's unpredictable world, it's crucial to be prepared for any situation. But are you truly ready to handle a medical emergency on your own? Survival MD, the comprehensive survival guide that empowers you with the essential medical knowledge and skills to manage emergencies when professional help might not be available. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or a newcomer to the world of self-reliance, Survival MD is here to equip you with the tools you need for those critical moments. In times of chaos, traditional security measures like insurance and home systems might fall short. The stark reality is that our current medical systems, while advanced, can be overwhelmed or inaccessible during disasters. Many people believe they can always count on medical professionals, but what happens when help is delayed or unreachable? That's where Survival MD steps in. Authored by Dr. Radu, Scurtu, and Robert Gray, this 206-page manual is your lifeline in emergencies. It's based on years of research and personal experiences, like Robert's tragic loss during Hurricane Katrina, which highlighted the dire need for medical preparedness. With Survival MD, you'll learn how to stay medically fit even without immediate access to professionals. Discover common mistakes during emergencies and arm yourself with knowledge of the 9 must-haves for your emergency kit. Uncover the secrets that medical experts might not always share and gain skills like aligning a dislocated shoulder or managing human waste effectively. This isn't just a book. It's a program that empowers you to be proactive, not reactive. Illustrated with examples and diagrams, it makes understanding complex medical procedures easy. The guide is invaluable for anyone keen on learning life-saving skills, whether you're preparing for potential disasters or simply want to enhance your medical knowledge. While it's a vital resource, remember that it complements but does not replace professional medical care. Don't wait until it's too late to get prepared. Watch the Survival MD video now and see how it can transform your approach to medical emergencies. Equip yourself with the knowledge and confidence to protect yourself and your loved ones. In a world full of uncertainties, be the person who is ready for anything. With Survival MD, you have the expert knowledge you need to face emergencies head-on. Take the first step towards empowerment and survival today.